Things took a dramatic turn today after an enforcement team from the St. James Municipal Corporation attempted to remove vendors who've been selling on the streets. Yannick Williams tells us more.
Me come and work, I want me come. All of the metro, them, they have pepper spray, they have machete, they have knife, they have sword. I want they come. So when me left my yard, me have to tell my children them, pray for me, because I want me to go.
For months now, these vendors have been selling along the roadside after Hurricane Melissa left the Charles Garden Market damaged and unfit for business. But their presence outside has created new problems, with business operators complaining that entrances are being blocked and the customers are being driven away.
I'm willing to go inside the market, but the market not ready yet. Plenty problem in the market. The market not ready yet.
So you want to stay on the road and say?
Me there how much here? Stay on the road. If me stay on the road, me comfortable. Better than stay in the car bacteria. Last week me sick.
The municipal corporation gave the vendors a timeline to return to the market after minor repairs were done. At a recent meeting, there was also a promise that more work will be carried out once disbursements are made by the insurance company. But the vendors have refused to adhere, and when the enforcement officers began to seize goods being sold on the streets, things took an ugly turn.
This morning, we are intensifying the operation that we rolled out over a week now, and we gradually encourage vendors to go inside of the market. We were not confiscating goods, but they tested the system and we had to confiscate goods. Now this morning, one vendor stripped naked to start the demonstration, saying that she's going to block the road and it was encouraging others to block the road. Went as far as to purchase gasoline, gassed one of the municipal units and was about to light it when she was stopped in her tracks.
Montego Bay Mayor Richard Vernon says shop rentals are currently set at $1,500 per week, but there is an outstanding balance of $30 million owed as vendors have refused to pay the agreed fees needed to sustain the market.
We do not have the money to do the complete rehabilitation of the market facility immediately, but we will do so gradually. And the agreement between the St. James Municipal Corporation and the vendors at the time is that we would continue to utilize the market facility while we fix the issues that they have inside.
But the vendors are pushing back. This vendor travels weekly from St. Elizabeth, but says the market is still unsafe, lacks proper bathroom facilities, and is not properly cleaned.
When I come here on Wednesday night, I forget my bath daily. Me can't get no bath. Me have to buy water, jug water, and wait till night to bathe on my bus. A bathroom in there, it closed. You cannot bathe. The next bathroom you're supposed to go and use the bathroom, it closed from 4 o'clock. Maggot, and you're not cleaning market. They're not cleaning market. I'm lock you up.
In the meantime, the mayor says enforcement will continue. Yannick Williams, TVJ News.